The 7-day UNESCO Engineering Conference officially starts this week. Thought leaders and engineers from all around the world will assemble to celebrate the technical prowess found throughout the African continent and to examine how engineering may help to solve some of the problems that the continent faces. Now, Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, Sihle Zikalala, will be in attendance and he joins us to elaborate. A very good morning to you, Minister. Thank you for your time. Perhaps talk to us a little bit about some expectations and what you're hoping to communicate with the Africa Engineering Week and Conference as it opens in Pretoria today.
Well, the first, thanks for having us in your program. The first is the whole idea of collaboration. Collaboration because this is UNESCO Africa Engineering Week Conference. It therefore brings the whole continent together. And in most cases, we find that the engineers would want to work purely as technicians and mechanics, not as people who advocate for policy reform. And you will know that in the country, we have a shortage of skills because our institutions produce less that is demanded by, or it produces what is not really demanded by the economy. So we need lots of engineers. That's why we say we must collaborate. If you will look at the level of our municipalities, the gap is too huge. Even in various technical departments that deals with infrastructure. So we have to do more in upskilling, in ensuring that professionals in the built environment are registered, not only to be regulated, but registered also to be assisted to grow within the industry.
As this event gets underway, we know, for many years, and regrettably, at a time when many ministers are heralding the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, you're correct. There's a skills shortage. South Africa is not training enough engineers, artisans, or even technicians, which is detrimental to your goals as government and your department on delivering the National Development Plan's multi-billion strategic infrastructure projects. How will you go about in addressing this? You speak about upskilling, but the grassroots level needs to be approached from those grassroots levels, especially looking at the new crop, the next crop of engineers. How are you doing that in terms of skills development and making the career attractive?
Well, we have to ensure that we upskill those who are at a lower level. Most of them will be there because they were deprived of opportunities and lack of resources. We need to ensure that they are supported. While we train more, we need to also adapt in the quality of work that is being done. You will know that the world is moving toward the green ecosystem. Whether you talk of the green economy, the green buildings, that is becoming the order of the day. And therefore, we need to also ensure that in engineering, we also embrace this development.
Aging infrastructure, Minister, is constantly at the core of some of the country's biggest challenges in South Africa. It's a big dent on service delivery, whether we're talking electricity, water concerns. How are you developing and retaining, perhaps retaining would be important, key technical skills to meet the challenge of building the massive new infrastructure while at the same time upgrading the existing services? Because the demand for engineering professionals in the public sector is not going to slow down anytime soon.
We would want to balance bringing back the skills of those who are retired and ensure that we build the new skills. We will work on that and increase the number of people who are often taking. It's unfortunate that I will have to leave because the Deputy President and other international guests are here, and I'm getting disrupted. I can hear that. I'm sure you can hear the knocks around. Okay, but we will work to increase the uptake as well as the quality of work that is being done. Thanks.
Yeah, I would have liked us to speak a little bit on the clear focus on skills development, what it really looks like. But if you've run out of time, that's fine. Thank you for joining us.
I hope I will have time later to explain that.
Yes, I hope so too. Thank you.